If I cry like a baby, would you change your mind? If I told you I'm crazy. Anyway, yo, the song we're gonna learn today is called Reason for Breathing. It's by Babyface. It's gonna be the music video version, so it's not gonna include the intro on the record. So shout out to my homie from university for requesting this song. So I hope you guys enjoyed, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so the verse, it starts with an A over B, just once, and then it goes to an F sharp minor 7. Okay, and then G sharp minor 7. And then C sharp minor 7. Okay, but instead of just playing a normal C sharp minor 7, you have your pinky on the 7th fret of the bottom string. Okay, so if you listen to the music video, you'll hear that. Okay, and then you have a turnaround of A major 7, and then G major 7. Okay, and then you go back to an F sharp minor 7. Okay, so if I told you I'm crazy, right, would you come running back to me? Okay, and then after that you go back to a G minor 7 and C sharp minor 7. Okay, so that repeats twice. And then at the end of the second section of the verse, you have this ending before you go to the pre-chorus. Okay, this is a F sharp minor 7, but it starts on the 9th fret. Okay, and then high E. Okay, so. Then you go to the pre-chorus. Now the pre-chorus starts with a B but a high B, so it sounds like this. I turn on the radio just to take the hurt away. Another night and I'm missing you, girl, it's killing me. Okay, so the pre-chorus starts with a high B. And the reason why you know, I'm convinced that actually starts with a high B is because of this note here on the 7th fret, right? Because normally a B you can play it on the 2nd fret like this, right? But if you listen to the music video, you can actually hear it, that there is that high B there. Okay, the next chord is an E, a high E. Okay, so and then there's a succession of 3 chords, an F sharp minor 7 on the 9th fret, and then E, and then back to a B. Okay, so that's when he sings, just to take the hurt away. Okay, and then you go back to a B, and then an E, and then another succession of chords, F sharp minor 7, and then G sharp minor 7, and then an A over B. Okay, so that's when you sing, God, it's killing me. Okay, so on to the chorus. It sounds like this. So that's the first section. So that's an A major 7. And then a C sharp minor 7. But this time you don't have that high B here. Okay, and then there's a bit of a lick. Okay, so that's just a pull off of the 5th string or 2nd string, depending on how you count it. Okay, and then you go to an F sharp minor 7, and then G sharp minor 7, and then A major 7, and then A over B. Okay, so I don't wanna die tonight, but I think I might be going down, 'cause the only one I ever cared about is nowhere to be found. Okay, and then you repeat the A major 7 all the way to the G sharp minor 7, and then when he says "you're my reason for breathing," there is a D major 7. Okay, and then an A over B, and then C sharp minor 7. Okay, so the second section is gonna sound like this. I don't wanna close my eyes, but I'm witnessing the light of day. I'm almost tired of it. You're my reason for breathing. You're my reason for breathing. Right? And then the part when he says no, 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 it's just F sharp minor 7 and C sharp minor 7. So sound like no, 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 no. Okay, and then there is a bridge in the song. It's not overly difficult. So I'm reaching out on the distant line, hoping deep inside your heart's gonna find a reason to keep me breathing. Okay, so that's the first section. So that is an E, and then a B. Okay, and then C sharp minor 7, and then back to a B, and then an A major 7, okay, and then A over B, and then C sharp minor 7, and then a B. But the B, there's a bass walk that's going on, so it goes like this. That's it. And then you go back to the E again, so here. But I'm lost in this pain, I don't have much time, I'm so tired of walking the same old line. Right? So from the E to the C sharp minor 7, it's the same. But then when he says the same old line, that's a B minor 7. The same old line. Right? And then you go to an A major 7. So I'm taking this pride, gonna throw it aside. Right? So G sharp minor 7. And then back to an A major 7. Please let me breathe, girl, I'm sorry. So that's an A major 7, and then an A over B. Okay, and that's the end of the bridge, and then you go back to the chorus. So like I said, it's a great song. Actually, it was written by Joe, the same guy that wrote No One Else Comes Close to You. Yeah, it's a great song, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So have fun. You know what I'm saying?